By spelling a card, you can find its soulmate. The magician starts with a normal deck of cards. He gives it to the spectator and lets the spectator shuffle the cards as much as he wants. Once the deck shuffled, the magician takes the cards back. He looks through the cards and chooses one card. This card will not be shown to the spectator, not for now. He spreads the cards and asks the spectator to pick any card. Let's say this one. This card is the 9 of Hearts. Now he asks the spectator to give him any number between 17 and 21. The spectator chooses the number 20. Therefore, the magician deals 20 cards on the table, and once he's done, he no longer needs the rest of the deck. Now he tells the spectator that the 9 of Hearts will help them find the soulmate of the other card face down on the table. Here's how. The magician simply spells 9 of Hearts by dealing cards on the table. N-I-N-E-O-F-H-E-A-R-T-S. And he simply places the rest of the cards back on top. He repeats this process a second time. N-I-N-E-O-F-H-E-A-R-T-S. And once again, he places the rest of the cards back on top. He repeats the same process one last time. N-I-N-E-O-F-H-E-A-R-T-S. And he places the rest of the cards back on top. After the third time, he takes the first card of the little pile and places it next to the other card that is face down. And he gets rid of the 9 of Hearts and the rest of the cards. He shows the spectator that the card that he picked earlier is the 10 of Clubs. And he also asks the spectator if the other card face down would be the soulmate of the 10 of Clubs. The spectator is hesitant. Therefore, the magician reveals to him that the other card face down is no other than the 10 of Spades, the soulmate of the 10 of Clubs. To perform this trick, start with a normal deck of cards. Give it to the spectator and let the spectator shuffle the cards as much as he wants. Once the cards shuffled, take them back and look through the deck. The card that you must look for is the one completely to the left. In this case, is the Jack of Clubs. Simply look for its soulmate, the Jack of Spades. Once you find it, take it out and place it face down to your right. Spread the cards and let the spectator pick any card that he wants. Let's say he picks the 7 of Hearts. Place the 7 of Hearts next to the face down card. A simple reminder before we continue, the soulmate of the Jack of Spades is the first card of the deck. Simply ask your spectator to give you any number between 17 and 21. Let's say he chooses the number 19. Simply count 19 cards face down on the table. And once you're done, get rid of the rest of the cards. By counting the cards, the soulmate of the face down card is now at the bottom of the 19 cards. This will help you for the rest of the trick. At this point of the trick, everything itself working. By spelling the face-up card 3 times, you will find the soulmate of the face-down card. Here's how. In this case, we have the 7 of hearts. S, E, V, E, N, O, F, H, E, A, R, T, S. When you're done spelling, place the rest of the cards on the dealt cards. Repeat the same process a second time. S, E, V, E, N, O, F, H, E, A, R, T, S. And repeat the same process one last time. S, E, V, E, N, O, F, H, E, A, R, T, S. And simply place the remaining cards back on top. Take the first card of the little pile and place it next to the face down card on the table. The 7 of hearts and the rest of the cards are no longer needed for the trick. At this point, it's just a matter of showmanship. The card that you selected earlier is the Jack of Spades, and the card that we ended up with, it's simply its soulmate, the Jack of Clubs.